Hello guys, Michael with you today and trade binary options as well. And I really recommend you to go through the link below this video to claim your really nice bonus to register on PocketOption platform and have a really nice bonus, 50% free on your deposit. And also go to my private Telegram channel where I share daily signals and really useful information. As you can see, we have a horizontal level to which we approach and a false breakdown occurred. After that, the price should go down. So I make a down trade for usual $200. I suggest we talk about the topic today. 60 seconds or turbo. Binary options, 60 seconds, they are also called turbo, are incredibly popular with beginners. Actually, don't go to a fortune teller, they always start with them. Why wait if you can almost double the deposit of such a short period? Let's do this. Let's ask the opinion of 6 Western experienced VL traders. What do you think about such short-term options? Then I will add my own personal opinion and you will able to draw conclusions. Seconds, 60 seconds of course. Opinion 1. I have a trader friend who loves binary options. He has been working with them for a long time and has a full picture of how things are with binaries. The trade brought us $354. The price has not gone down much, but there is still strength left for the continuation of the downward movement. So I make a down trade for $200 as usual. At last, at 60 seconds, it is extremely difficult to draw the line between trading and gambling. In many ways, both of these activities are very similar. Probability theory works against us, and markets tend to constantly go against our predictions. So therefore, often people from the outside consider trading a gambling game. Like a bunch of speculators have gathered that are playing with their numbers, whether it's binary platforms or a regular exchange. Therefore, how to name guys who are addicted to 60 seconds? Are they traders or gamblers? The question is debatable. A professional deliberately chooses this tool. He is aware of his powers, understands what he wants to get. For most ordinary traders, 60 seconds is a feeling of excitement and adrenaline. This feeling when you press the buttons above and below in a hurry to make it in short time is well known to everyone. But is it trading? Still no. I strongly recommend working with longer trading time. Use 60-second ones only if you clearly understand what you are doing and have worked out of a sufficiently effective trading strategy for them. The trade brought us $384. It seems that the force is not enough to descend lower. I will make an up trade for $200. 60 seconds, opinion 2. Let's decompose turbo options into pros and cons. Positive coins. Trading is a stress, and stress should be not stored up in yourself, but dumped. So people go fishing, play computer games, and maybe even do sports. Stress can be relieved by various methods. However, I read an interesting study where it was said that stress is best relieved by short-term actions, and such the potential result of which is extremely clear. Perhaps this is how 60 seconds of options can be perceived. Not as a trading tool, but as a fan means for entertainment. Of course, you can work with them, but not as a serious method of trading. And now, negative terms. Money. I will earn my monthly salary today. That's probably how you can designate a trader of 60-second options. Yes, and he can be called a trader. In fact, these are gamblers who want to look like traders, but they are not. Look here, sometimes I don't have time to draw even a one simple trend line in 60 seconds. I simply will not be able to regularly predict where the price will be in a minute and how to do it. What is trading? Isn't it getting sustainable results, right? How can they be achieved in such short intervals? Sometimes, of course, turbo traders are lucky, lucky, and they make money. believing that they have found how to make money on binary options with a profitable strategy. However, I insist, show me a successful trader who consistently works on Turbo Plus for at least 6 months. Are there such? I haven't met such. The trade brought us $384. Not 80, sorry, 54. Now when the prices try to pass through the level again, I will make a down trade for $200 as usual. And let's go to the third opinion about 60 seconds turbo. What people find in 60-second options is understandable. This is an opportunity to get from 70 profit in 1 minute. Of course, adrenaline is boiling in the blood and fingers are trembling with excitement. However, to what extent is such a psychological state adequate for a trader? Do not forget, in order to work in binary option plus, it is necessary from 60% of successful traders. The reason is clear, we earn from 70% when the option is in the money. However, we lose 100%, the full amount in case of failure. Therefore, we need to rely not on luck, but on a trading system, on strategy that regularly gives us an accurate input or signal. However, here's the thing, on 60 seconds options, the statistics are extremely negative. Indicators are not particularly helpful, and the market is extremely fast and chaotic. It is for this reason that many scalping strategies simply do not work for 1 minute. The trade brought us new 384, sorry, not 80, I would like 80, but 54. Since the price has not dropped much, so I continue and make a down trade for $200, 60 seconds option 4. These short-term options are just disaster. Novice traders, first of all, ask about them. Beginners are attracted by a potential very impressive profit, and they cannot resist this temptation. However, it is worth getting acquainted with more experienced traders, and the surprise, almost no one works with 60 seconds options. The problem is obvious, such options are more unpredictable than long expirations. If you study the historical data, it immediately catches your eye that trends are much more stable over long time periods. The reason is clear, fundamental factors, not technical levels or volumes. Economic factors are always more important, and it is worth focusing on them in the first place. For this reason, 60-second options should be considered more of a gamble, not trading. By the way, no one says that gambling is bad. Not at all. However, this is a huge difference between professional trading and gambling. Trading requires maximum experience and skills from you, but gambling is a lack of caution and a game with probability theory and a banal emphasis on luck. The trade brought us $354, not 50, yeah, $54. As I see the price continues to fall and I follow it, I make a down trade for $200. So 60 seconds, opinion 5. Few people remember their first swimming experience with pleasure, since most simply drowned and swallowed a bunch of chlorinated water. Not surprisingly, most then reluctantly return to the pool, and sometimes even under duress. It takes time to get used to a new environment for you. Almost all traders come here with huge expectations. It seems to them that market will just give them everything that traders need. However, over time it becomes clear that the market is a sea of probabilities, full of storms and hurricanes, sometimes completely unpredictable. Hence the conclusion, do not get into these 60 seconds options. Yes, you will be lucky sometimes, but be sure you will encounter bad luck much more often. Do you really want to start your trading career with a reliance on luck? First, you need to figure out what exactly drives the market, what technical and fundamental factors affect it. And with 60-second options, it turns out how a person comes overwhelmed with desires, quickly loses his money, and immediately gives up. The trade brought us new $384, not $80, $54. While we were talking, the price pulled back and a little back a little and a better entry point appeared. I make a down trade for $200. 60 seconds opinion 6. I think 60 seconds opinion options are real ambush. This is the fastest way to lose your money. That's all. These short expirations and time frames are only needed by people who have extra money and who want to part with it as soon as possible. Even if the market is clearly going up or down, it still does it in waves, which makes the risk of short-term trading almost fatal. The minimum expiration that I personally use is 10 or 15 minutes, no less. And with in 60 seconds, you will enrich only your broker. The only good thing that can be said about such options is their cardinal difference from others by expiration. That's it. If you need exactly 1 minute, the broker gives you this opportunity, but you would better think about why. Opinion of Bingo. I will say this as follows. You can earn money on Turbo, that's fact. There are thousands of traders in the world who can earn money by scalping forex and binary options. However, this is the key. Professional scalping is available only to specialists. In forex trading, robots are used for this. For everyone else, 60-second options are just a way to lose your money. The trade brought us $354. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to write any comment, to go via the link, to share with your hamster who is trader. And till the next video, Michael was with you. Bye.